Welcome to EPG Pathshala, sponsored by University Grants Commission, New Delhi. The name of the module is Capacity Development. The name of the paper is National Fire Service College, Nagpur. Introduction. For longer than recorded history, fire has been a source of comfort as well as catastrophe for the human race. Fire is rapid, self-sustaining oxidation process accompanied by the evolution of heat and light in varying intensities. Fire is believed to be based on three elements being present: fuel, heat and oxidizer. Fire disasters can occur above the ground, on the ground and below the ground in mines. Sometimes they occur in circumstances that are unexpected or unpredictable. Learning outcome. By undergoing this module, the student would be exposed to various fire disasters and their impact on human beings. Several organizations, including government departments, carry out special training and capacity building programs as career development, which are also useful during fire disasters. A well thought out precautions which can prevent fire disasters also will be gained by the students. History and impacts. Indian Fire Service, which was first established in Bombay, followed by Calcutta and Madras, thus completed 200 years. After independence, the Standing Fire Advisory Council under Ministry of Home Affairs recommended various aspects of uniform fire service developments throughout the country. However, these services are limited to urban and industrial areas. Several studies showed that major fire incidents in India are due to the explosion in fireworks factory and homemade fireworks, followed by residential fires, urban slum fires and others. Each year, 450 to 470 people in India lose their lives to burn injuries caused by fire.